Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Measure 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 12 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Line an 8x8-inch pan with parchment paper, leaving about a 1-inch overhang to lift the fudge out cleanly. Have on hand 1 teaspoon vanilla and a pinch of fine salt. Keep a sturdy spatula and a heat-proof bowl ready. This setup prevents scrambling once the chocolate starts to melt and keeps cooling organized for a smooth, lump-free texture. Place the heat-proof bowl over a pan of barely simmering water or use low direct heat. Add the 14-ounce condensed milk, 12 ounces chocolate chips, and 2 tablespoons butter. Stir constantly for about 3 to 5 minutes until all chocolate melts and the mixture becomes smooth and glossy. Avoid boiling. Remove from heat immediately and stir in 1 teaspoon vanilla and a pinch of salt for balance. Work quickly to keep texture silky. If adding nuts or extracts, fold them in now before pouring into the prepared pan. Immediately pour the warm fudge into the lined 8x8-inch pan and use a spatula to smooth it to an even thickness, roughly 1 inch. Press the surface gently to remove air pockets and let the pan sit at room temperature for 10 minutes. Then refrigerate until fully firm, about 2 hours. Use the parchment overhang to lift out the block and cut into 1-inch squares for uniform pieces. Store fudge in an airtight container in the refrigerator up to 2 weeks or freeze up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.